Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to your channel name, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology and AI. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we're exploring a fascinating and crucial topic in the world of artificial intelligence, explainable AI or XAI. Stick around to find out why XAI is transforming how we understand and trust AI systems. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from virtual assistants to medical diagnostics. But here's the big question: do we really understand how these AI systems make decisions? This is where explainable AI comes into play. Researchers are working tirelessly to make AI more transparent and understandable. But why is this so important?
Imagine an AI system used in healthcare to diagnose diseases. The AI suggests a treatment plan, but the doctors don't know how it reached that decision. Without understanding the reasoning behind AI's recommendations, it's hard to trust and act on them. XAI helps bridge this gap by making AI's decision-making process clear and interpretable.
So, how does XAI work? Explainable AI techniques can highlight which features of the data influenced a decision, provide visualizations, and even generate human-readable explanations. For instance, in image recognition, XAI can show which parts of an image the AI focused on to identify an object. Cool, right?
Take a look at this example. This AI model identifies animals in pictures. With XAI, we can see that it recognizes a cat by focusing on its ears and whiskers. This transparency helps us understand and trust the AI's accuracy.
The benefits of XAI go beyond trust. It's also about accountability and fairness. By understanding AI's decisions, we can detect and correct biases, ensuring that AI systems are fair and ethical.
For example, if an AI used in hiring processes shows a bias towards certain groups, XAI can help identify and mitigate these biases, leading to fairer outcomes.
Alright, we've covered a lot today about explainable AI and why it's a game changer for building trust and transparency in AI systems. But this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the exciting world of AI, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, share this video with your friends who might be curious about AI too. Thanks for watching, your channel name, where we make technology easy to understand and exciting to explore. See you in the next video.